Hi, I'm Melissa. Welcome to Amaroni's first toy test review. Amaroni is a company that works with some of the world's most famous and finest toy brands. Every week, I will be putting out a video with myself and my team reviewing one of the toys that we stock. As I said, Amaroni works across a number of fantastic brands, and today we'll be looking at one of Germany's finest exports, HABA. HABA is a family-owned business that was set up in 1938 in Germany. They offer thoughtfully designed, highly innovative toys and games, only using the highest craftsmanship and materials. Their philosophy is one thing and one thing only, that children are the most important things in life. And I know two people who would particularly agree with that philosophy. They are my assistants, my children. I should call them my assistants, but in fact, they are the bosses, as I think you'll see. Here they are, your official toy testers. Introducing Jayin. He's the youngest of our brood at a healthy 5 years old. Jayin has so much concentration and excitement when it comes to playing games. He's going to be a perfect toy tester. And he's most certainly not hyper at all.
Hi!
Introducing Lyla. Lyla is 9 and currently homeschooling. She's been asked to wear her uniform, which she has done very dutifully, but has decided to keep her bed socks on.
Yes, I am, Lyla, and I'm really trying to work. Pardon, miss, what did you say? Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, yes.
Trust me, she is a fun type, really. Oh, hello. No, actually, I'm waiting for some toy testers. I don't think you're here to test the toys, are you? Excuse me. Yeah, you. Can you go? Can you buzz off? Thank you. Oh, Lyla, thank goodness it's you. I've been waiting for you.
Really? Well, is it toy testing time?
It certainly is.
Yay!
What have we got on the table today, Lyla?
Well, we've got inner Flash Firefighters.
Wow, that sounds like fun. What age group can play that game?
Age 5 to 99.
Wow, what an age range. So
Yeah.
pretty much anyone.
Yeah.
Do you think a furry friend could play it? Because I had one of those lingering around earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
Better not let them near it. Now tell me a bit more about inner Flash Firefighters.
So basically, you can have 2 to 4 players. And Farmer Rudi's farm got caught on fire. The hay bale's on fire. Everything's on fire. But when the firemen come, the water hoses are all tangled up. So you need to untangle the water hoses. And the first person to do it wins a medal. The first person to get 3 medals is the winner.
Oh wow, that sounds like good fun.
Yeah.
Would you like to play that game?
Yeah, but with Jayin.
Well, where is Jayin?
I don't know. We're over here.
Oh yay! We've been waiting for you, Jayin. Is it time to test the toys?
Yeah.
Yay! Let's do it, guys. Hey guys, how long did that take you to set up?
Like 5 minutes.
Not bad. Was it quite easy to set up?
Sort of, but you know.
Yeah, you got there.
Yeah.
Right, so now we've got to play the game. So each player has to take both parts of the game board and put that together in front of them, which you've done. Perfect. You need to mix together all the hose tiles and put them in the centre of the table.
Done that.
Nice mixing. Then you place the water hose tiles in the centre within reach of all the players, which is those ones there, isn't it? And you've got to keep them upside down and mix them up. Okay?
So mix them
You
up.
take one each at random. And then you pop them where you see the fire hydrant symbol. Do you see that right there, Jayin?
Yep.
Yeah, so you put your hose that on there first, there. So you take that one, put that on there. So that shows you where you're starting, okay? And then you pop your fire hydrant into that slot. Perfect, well done, guys. Now, how to play. What you've got to do is you've got to build your fire hydrant, and you've got to build it so that it starts where it starts, but it's got to run all the way along so that you can put out the fire, okay?
Wow,
So you just
long
use these
time.
pieces in the middle And whoever gets to put out the fire first gets one of the medals, which you've kept on the side there.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah.
All right, guys, let's play.
Whoa!
What's happened here, Lyla?
Water on!
Water on. What does that mean?
Because I finished.
That means you've won the first medal. But don't worry, Jayin, because you've still got to get 3 medals to win the whole game. So you guys need to take all your pieces out and
you
start
put
again.
And you put 1 medal in the circle.
Oh, wow. Well done, guys. So, guys, how did you enjoy playing that game for the very first time?
I loved it.
In a Flash Firefighters, what would you rate it?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. She's a hard one to please. What about you, Jayin?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Oh my gosh, this is a tough crowd. Well, I think HABA's done pretty well with this game. Was it like playing a kind of big jigsaw puzzle, guys?
Yeah.
It was a little bit like that, wasn't it?
Find the things that match.
But there's a pressure because you got a time pressure and it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I think it's quite a great toy because it kind of has an educational aspect to it. What do you think, Lyla?
Yeah, because you have to think.
Yeah, and align everything. Well, thank you so much for taking part, guys. This is amazing. I think you've given us a great insight to this fantastic game. Would you want to keep one of these games?
Yeah, but we're definitely going to do a giveaway.
Are you?
Whichever subscriber likes these games, they're going to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell so they get notified every time we post a new video with a new game each week.
Amazing. And would you, if you were a subscriber, want to win this game?
Yes, definitely.
Excellent. Right, thanks a lot. Thanks so much for joining us today for our very first toy test review with the amazing Lyla and Jayin, even if I did make them myself. And we are so happy to be able to be doing this, and we really hope that you enjoyed it and got a good insight into this amazing game. Please do check out our website, www.amaroni.com. We have links to our Facebook pages and our YouTube channel, and we would love it if you would subscribe and follow us. We'll see you at the same time next week for another toy review.